Good day everyone, this is Pubalan from BitAshwa. Today we're going to talk about GPU mining offered by BitClub Network. BitClub Network has been offering Bitcoin mining past 30 over months and been successfully running as one of the largest miner in the world. And this is my Bitcoin mining earnings that past close to 2 years. I've earned close to 17 Bitcoins. And BitClub also have their own cryptocurrency which is called Clubcoin. If you click Clubcoin today, it's value at 30 cents dollar value. I have 19,000 of Clubcoins here, which is close to 5.8 Bitcoin exchange in Bittrex. What is most interesting is last year April, BitClub also offered the first GPU mining due to huge demand created for Ethereum. We have bought some Ethereum mining as well. I have Ethereum mining one pool here. Look at it, you can see here. Okay, and since Ethereum mining, I've been collecting Ethereum past 1 year. It's an average of I have received close to 26 Ethereum. But today's Ethereum have surged up very high because huge demand. Microsoft, JP Morgan, a lot of big corporate companies are investing in Ethereum. Ethereum has been seen as one of the biggest potential in terms of like similar to Bitcoin. Even bigger than Bitcoin sometimes, so people are talking about it. So it is very important for all of us to also know which real currency they're going to search up and create a demand for people for as a usage. Cryptocurrency is the future. Digital asset is the fastest way for us to actually accumulate wealth. But you need to aware which is the right cryptocurrency which will have the real potential. And looking at this, BitClub has been offering Zcash mining, which is most talked about last quarter of the year. I've been collecting 1.2 Zcash since last year October. But beauty with BitClub is you can able to switch your shares. Whichever mining that is you feel is not profitable, you can actually just easily switch from Ethereum to Zcash, okay, or vice versa, and you can just save it here, okay. And it goes back to whatever mining pool that you have chosen, and you will be paid from that mining pool. It's either Ethereum or Zcash. BitClub is the only one company that allows you to switch cryptocurrencies mining pool, either Ethereum or Zcash. The most interesting part today, which I'm going to talk about, GPU mining is not offered throughout the year. It's only offered whenever the company decides to actually put in more GPU mining. March 24th this year, BitClub has announced that they're going to add 10,000 more shares, allowing people to buy one share worth $1,000 a mining pool, mining Zcash, Ethereum Classic, Monero, and Dash. This is among the few currencies that have gone up very high recently. You can check it out at World Coin Index. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Ethereum Classic, and also Monero and Zcash. BitClub has been already mining Zcash and Ethereum. Now we're going to look at Ethereum Classic, Dash, and also Monero, which is going to offer on 30th March. Looking at Ethereum, one of the most profitable mining, Club Ethereum mining, within less than 12 months, I've actually accumulated more than 26 Ethereum, which is 1,300 today's dollar value. I've invested $1,000 and already accumulated 1,300. GPU mining can run for BitClub at least 10 years. That means you only invest one time and you've been accumulating digital currencies like Ethereum, Dash Coin, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies that is most valuable today in the market for the next 10 years. That is amazing. BitClub is one of the only company that is offering not only Bitcoin mining but other cryptocurrencies. There's a huge potential to grow. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum alone have surged close to 500% 1 month. So this is one of the potential currency that we are looking at. Dash also have gone up from $20 to $100, also close to 500% for people who want to accumulate fast digital cash and fast wealth, okay. But there's a potential also for it to go down. Of course, any open market real currency will go up and down, but in a long term it shows that it has gone up. And looking at Ethereum Classic is a hard fork from Ethereum. Exchange has maintained Ethereum Classic as one of the cryptocurrency, and the development is still going on. And Ethereum Classic has gone from less than $1 today, it has gone up to $2, close to 200% growth in less than 3 months. Monero has also going up very high, okay, from $5 last year November, okay. You can look at this price, okay, or even less than $5 here last year July, up to today is close to $25. okay, or $20 today. It is 500% as well. Big Club thinks there's a huge potential. The price might keep up going this year. We want currency that has the potential to go up. I've been collecting Ethereum on an average of 0.07 times 30 days. That is 2.1 Ethereum per month. Okay, and looking at the price of Ethereum today, it is close to $52 today. Let's keep it up $50. Okay, that is $105 per month. Today's value. Ethereum has even huge potential to grow even higher. So looking at $105 per month, if you times with 4.4 Malaysian currency, that is equivalent to close to 462 ringgit per month of $105 from Ethereum mining. This is one of the very profitable mining with a return of 10% a month currently from $1,000 of GPU mining shares, and that is being paid for next at least 10 years. So it can be up and down, but at least we have been paid for next 10 years with one of the most profitable digital currency like Ethereum. Also coming up is Ethereum Classic, Dash and Monero. Big Club is going to offer only 10,000 mining GPU shares. There is a huge growth in Japan, South Korea and other part of the country for Big Club. So I think 10,000 shares will be just running off in a couple of days, maybe 1 day or 2 days times. So please don't miss this opportunity. If you want to collect and become wealthy in digital cryptocurrency, Big Club is one of the best choice you have today. With one trustable company, more than 30 over months, you can mine a lot of cryptocurrencies and you're earning multiple cryptocurrencies. And this is the only company that allows you to switch any mining pool that you feel is most profitable at that point of time. Be ready, get your Bitcoin on your Bitcoin wallet, or contact your leaders if you wish to get your GPU mining, or you can call me at 012-314-3646 to get more information. Thank you very much.